What a confidence level. What a person Donald Trump he is. I cannot compete with any leader of the world. Until now, the world did not get the leader like that, Donald Trump. He will be successful in immigration. He will not be successful in immigration. But this story, which I am sharing, will tell you that what his personality is, how intelligent mind he owns, and how he can give answers spontaneously on this spot without thinking. Just you ask question, and just like a robot, he will create an answer. You will not have question more. What's the story? He is talking in a gathering, and he is giving answers. Suddenly, one person asked, "Mr. Donald Trump, technically he is not the president now. Please, president, he will take oath now after some days. Donald Trump, please tell us, sir, that drones are flying over New Jersey, and these drones, nobody knows from where they are coming." And what Donald Trump talked about, and he was giving answer in a smooth speed. And the person who was asking, he was asking, and Donald Trump was giving answer. That person keep questioning that these drones are of intelligence type, or these drones are of enemy, these drones of Americans, military forces owns this drone, please tell us. Donald Trump is so intelligent. That's why I am recording this clip. IQ level of this man is, you can say, it's touching the top of the mountain. He spoke suddenly. Suddenly mean without without, you can say, brain reflex action, you can say. With reflexes he spoke. He told, military knows these drones. This is not my work. I am not the president. Wow, what a great answer. I am not the president. I am not the president until now. Go to the President Biden and ask from where these drones are coming. And when he was talking about intelligence, he spoke instantly. He spoke, could you please tell me that who is the security forces are in charge of the Americans, the military forces, and they know the drone's owner, they knows the drone's actual position. And if you just assess these drones who are coming on the sky, if they belong to enemy, our military forces will blast them. What a great answer he has given. Once again, I will say that if these drones belong to enemy, our military forces will blast them. And I am not. And first of all, in answering, he did not show that I am president. This is the tricky mind he owns. He clarified, I am not the president. Still, I am giving you general answers that the owner of the drones must be Americans, and that will be the military forces. And when he spoke that intelligence reports you are getting by drones, I'm not the president. And these are all works are related to military forces. I don't want to answer regarding intelligence. That's the part of the country, and that's the part of the country. And please don't ask such questions. I think such bold leader required by all countries. And I think when he was talking with Prime Minister Justin, Canada looking very small in front of Donald Trump. Canada was not able to save. Canada was very apologetic when he was talking about that your borders are allowing a lot of people to enter in United States, and your border free movement is giving us trouble. Close this border, control this border. What a way. Otherwise, what a thinking he has in the mind. And he is a loyal person. He is a patriotic person. That's why he don't believe in wars. I think by his analysis, by his steps, he wants to put countries on financial deprivedness. When he talked with Mexico, and no, nobody was having courage from United States to talk with Canada, that you people will pay us 25% taxes. You people will pay us 25% taxes, otherwise you have to control your borders. The courageous man can speak such words. I think the person who is with unique idea can speak such words. The person who want to do something for his country can speak such words. Remember, he is not now president. Without president, what he talked with Prime Minister Justin was getting very harsh reply from Parliament House of Canada, and Parliament House of Canada confesses that Donald Trump was winner with the Canadian Prime Minister meeting regarding border situation. Justin was not able to say anything that 25% taxes why you are putting on the goods of the Canada. Mexico something else. Mexico is inferior country, financial low financial country. But if you will just compare with America, America is a country of financial you can say superficial nature. Canada and the USA both compete and both share the businesses. But at this level, when one country is telling you have to pay 25% taxes just to the country which have equivalent economical value like Canada, I think this is a braveness. And I was also assessing the border situation between Canada, US, why this border is not being checked so far. I think Donald Trump is the first individual in America. He's talking about Canada-US border. And however, Canada was getting benefit or USA is getting benefit, but illegals are creating problems for both countries, and due to which Canada blaming America, America blaming Canada. Donald Trump is going to finish this dispute of immigration by controlling borders. And his point of view, how much he was confident in telling drones flying about New Jersey. I will took this stance, I will took this confidence level. What he is talking about immigration, I think he will modify immigration. He will give new immigration to the world. And what is in his mind that if you want to enter any country, get your visa, get permission, and then go and then get your successes. He is not closing H1B work visa. He is with Musk, and Musk actually able to convince him. It means he is a flexible individual as well. So America, upcoming president, looking great until now. Thank you very much.